We can just go right in here and then we come back.
Yeah, this way actually.
Okay. Prairie Creek Redwoods. Prairie Creek Woods State Park Beach Campgrounds.
Oh, good. It's garbage. I think.
Oh, there's literally. Oh, one way that way. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's bathrooms here. Hey. Oh, there is trash right here. Any trash? Heck yeah.
I've been picking up trash from the trail.
You have?
Yeah.
No, you really?
Yeah, these are my trash that I found. It's like little, like, wrappers that I've seen. Yeah,
You're a humanitarian, sis.
these are my, lots of my trash.
You're a humanitarian.
We need to take care of our nature.
Yup. No wood gathering. Entrance. It looks like teepees. All at the beach. No. Heck no. But I mean, it's super cold. Absolutely not. But hey. Yeah, we just yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is the